In this video, I will show you how to send money from Australia to the UK. To do this, I would personally use Remitly because it's fast and cheap. If you want to use it, you can just go to their website. From there, set your country, right there, to Australia, and set the country you are sending to the United Kingdom. After doing that, go to scroll down a little bit until you see the exchange rate and just click on get this rate. And then here you will need to sign up, or if you already have an account, you can sign in. And after you do that, here on sending to, just gonna set it to the United Kingdom again if it has changed. Then click send money. And here enter how much you want to send. Now for me it's in euro, for you it will be Australian dollar and the Australian flag, but these steps are the exact same. So after entering how much you want to send, click continue. And then here you have the delivery method. So do you want it delivered by bank deposit or cash pickup? Just select whichever one you want. I'll do bank deposit. Then here select their bank. So let's say Lloyd's Bank. And then enter the IBAN and then enter their bank account IBAN. After doing that, you will need to enter some more details such as their first, middle and last name, and also how you want to pay for the transfer. And then from there you will get to the overview, so make sure it's all correct, and if it is, go and pay for the transfer, and then the money will be on its way to your recipient in the UK. So that's how you can send money from Australia to the UK. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.